This is Jeanne Sinclair and Trishelle Reeves. Okay, so as we're talking about volcanoes, these are our key terms here. And remember, this is our introduction of the pieces of volcanoes. So we have our volcanism, lava, vent, volcano, crater, and caldera. These are all pieces of vocabulary that we're going to be talking about, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you start reading from here?
Volcanism.
Try to sound that one out again.
Volcanism. Volcanism.
Yep, volcanism.
Oh,
volcanism.
Volcanism.
Yep.
Volcanism.
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 Perfect.
Volcanism.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any moment of magma inside Earth is called volcanism.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes magma flows between rocks layers of the crust and hardens the form a.
Wait, start here again.
This forms a seal.
Mm-hmm.
Magnum that crusts across. Oh, magma.
Mm-hmm.
That crusts across rock layers and hardness forms a deck.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes magma breaks through the crust. Magma breaks through the crust and flows into the Earth's surface. Then it's called lava. It's opening the lava flows through. It's called a vent. Dust, ash, and rocks particles are often throughout of the vent.
Okay, wait, let's stop there. So we talk about volcanism, that's the whole volcano itself, right?
Yeah.
And then we move down to lava, and here it talks about how lava is that hot rock that comes outside of the volcano.
Yeah.
The vent is where it could come out the sides.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Okay, go ahead and keep going.
The word volcano really refers to volcanic
Mm-hmm.
mountain or cone forms. The materials that collect around the vent. It also refers to the vent itself.
Mm-hmm.
Or that you.
Yeah, keep going here.
Craters,
yep.
and caldera,
Mm-hmm.
at the top of the volcanic cone that may be deep pit. This pit is called crater. Forms of material is below of the volcano vent.
Okay, wait, real quick. So our crater, that's what's at the top of our vent here. That's the big opening in the volcano where everything comes out.
Okay. The top of the volcano may also explode, emptying the vent. This can return the mountain to a huge hollow shell. The walls of the crater may fall back into the vent. This partly
Mm-hmm.
fills grab hole is called a caldera.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
So real quick, what that means is our volcano's up like this, explosion, falls in like this.
That
That's
falls
when
down?
we get our volcano. Yep. When it becomes a caldera, it doesn't always fall down.
Oh, okay. Some calderas fill with water from rain or snow.
Mm-hmm.
They are large lakes such as Crater Lake and Crater Lake, and 9.6 kilometers long and 8 km wide. It's about 60 m deep.
600 meters deep.
600 meters
Yep.
deep.
So basically you have this big volcano that has, the sides have collapsed and it creates this crater,
Mm-hmm.
which is filled with water, created a lake.
At the bottom?
Yep.
Okay.
So right up here we have our picture.
Mm-hmm.
So our magma, remember that's what lava is called when it's still in the earth.
Magma.
Our lava is when it comes outside of the volcano.
Lava.
Our vent is that opening on the side of the volcano.
Vent.
Crater, that's what's at the top.
Crater.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then our ash and dust and gases are up here at the top.
Ash, dust, and craters. Craters and gas.
Gases.
Gases.
Yep. Okay? Okay. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to ask you to match up our vocab words here with our volcano.
Magnum is down there. Ashes and dust is on the top. The vent is right there. Lava is right there, comes out from the side. And the crater is at the bottom.
Close.
Well, wait. No. The other, I think it's the other.
That was close. Actually, your vent was right.
Oh.
Your lava's right. This is right. This is right. Where do you remember what the crater was?
Like at the bottom. Like the top. Like
At the top, yep. It's right where all of that material comes out. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do now is I'm going to ask you to, on the back of this sheet, as we think about our Earth's layers, remember that is the unit we just finished. So we think about that hot rock that is underneath our Earth's surface.
Mm-hmm.
When we look at a volcano, we get to see that hot rock come out of the volcano.
Yeah.
So when we look at the volcano, it's actually kind of like a window down into those Earth's layers.
Mm-hmm.
So what I want you to do is take a minute, because we're going to start with a bigger project where you're going to walk through the layers and talk more about volcanoes. So I want you to take a minute and talk about how that volcano is like a window down into the earth. Okay? Let me grab you a pen real quick. Okay, here you go. I'm just going to give you about 30 more seconds, and we're going to see where you're at and talk about it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see where you're at. This is a great start. Okay, great. So you're talking about here how it looks like a window because we can see that magma coming out of the hot rock in the earth.
Yeah.
Great. So this is actually going to be your start where we look at the volcano more as a window, and you're going to talk more what we would say like science technically about the volcano.
Okay.
So I want you to, I'm going to give you the book back, and we're going to look up some facts that you can include in this, and we're going to talk about the different layers of the earth, okay?
Okay.
All right.